In today's video, we will take out the side mirror for 2024 Toyota Corolla. First, we would have to take out the door panel. We'll start off taking out the cover behind the inner door handle. Here, I'm using a plastic trim remover tool in order to push that cover out. Cover is out. Notice there is a screw behind the cover and we will use a Phillips screwdriver to take out that screw. Using the same trim remover tool, we will take out the inner door switch cover. We'll have to slide in the tool from right and left until the tabs are completely taken out. You can also use your hand to pull it out completely. Once the switch cover is pulled out, now we have to take out two plugs. One plug is white color and the other plug is black color. Both of them needs to be taken out. Both plugs are out. Using the same trim remover tool, we will take out a plastic cover which is in the middle of the door panel itself. It is a big plastic cover, so we have to slide in the tool one by one until the complete cover pops out. There we got the cover taken out. Notice behind the cover there is one screw and that needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. It is one of the longer screws. Don't feel tired while you're rotating your arm. Once the screw is out, the same screw is a little ahead on top that also needs to be taken out. Now we will slightly pull the door panel from the edges. Make sure you pull it from the edges where the brackets are attached. I'm pulling it to a point where I can put my arm and then I can just pull it out using my arm. Make sure you pull it from the speaker side as well. Notice the door panel is losing its grip. With a little more rock and roll upside, you would notice the door panel coming apart. There are two wirings behind, one is for the lock and one is for the handle. We'll take out the white one first. Followed by taking out the green one as well. With that, we have knocked out the door panel completely. Once the door panel is completely taken down, notice there is a white plastic cover on top of the speaker with a 10mm screw. I'll be taking it out with an impact gun and 10mm nut setter, but you can take it out using a wrench and a 10mm nut setter. Using a door upholstery remover, push the clip which is on the corner and then using both arms slightly rock and roll the cover until it completely pops out. Pull out the harness that is attached with the cover. Now the section where we pulled the cover from, notice there are 3 nuts that we need to take out. All these nuts are 10mm and I'll be taking them out with an impact gun and 10mm nut setter. But again, if you want, you can use a ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. While taking out the screw with the gun, I noticed the nut fell off and I lost it. So for the next two ones, what I did, I just made them loose enough so that I could put my fingers and take it out with my fingers with no fear of losing them, like I did for the first one. Would recommend in your case, make sure you lose them first and then take it out with your fingers. Nuts are out. Now take out the harness for the side mirror. Once the plug is out, make sure you're holding the harness tight in your hand and on the other side, slightly wobble the side mirror until it completely pops out. And that was it. We were able to take down the side mirror completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.